If your iPhone keyboard is not working properly, not appearing, freezing, lagging, or typing incorrectly, then here is the easy ways to fix it step by step. So, first of all, if the keyboard issue is happening in a specific app like Messages Safari, then all you have to do is force close the app and reopen the app and check the keyboard. And if that does not work, then simply navigate to restarting your iPhone. Many keyboard glitches get fixed with a simple restart. So press and hold the volume up plus side button, then slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds and power it back on. Now, once you are back to the iPhone's home screen, all you have to do is look for the settings app and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the settings app, all you have to do is tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset keyboard dictionary. Fixes weird predictions, freezing, or lag. This will delete any custom words or shortcuts you have added, but this will definitely fix this issue. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.